MLS-Touch tips from your Miami trainers using your MLS-Touch app. You can access it from your search at the bottom or on the home page from Map Search. Either selection will take you to your map. From here, you can select the airplane mode to access your current location and properties around you. You also have the option to draw. Tapping on the pencil icon will allow me to draw within my map, providing the available results at the top. I can remove the drawing by reselecting the pencil. The eye will bring up map settings, where I can either view as a map view or a satellite view. Tapping back onto map. I also have access to preview schools in the area, traffic, parcel boundaries, or flood zone notifications. From your map page, you also have access to saving your searches. Tapping on map, within a property card, you also have access to view map, see in 3D, and access directions. Always more with your Miami trainers.